Alright, for all my spray foamers that follow me, the new Carlisle ST1 gun came out, I don't know, several months ago. They were doing a lot of field testing with it with people. They've been on the market for probably 6 months or so. If I had to guess, I don't really know for sure. But a lot of questions I get from spray foamers on Spray Foam Worldwide, it's a Facebook page, exclusive to spray foamers, is what's your shutdown procedure? And really, it's not a whole lot. I'll try to do this while recording. Got my handy dandy nut driver. I'm gonna have to open up the air valve as well. All right. Nut driver. Close these valves. My air. Take the safety off. And I just 10 trigger pulls. It's basically just to purge anything that's in there, depressurize the gun. First one lasted 3 months, but I think I took it off too early thinking that my pattern issues were because of the gun, but turns out it was the A-side pump was sucking a little bit of air. Lasted me 3 months, and this one's been a month, and you'll see videos of my most recent video after this one probably. Spraying perfect, so no grease, no chemicals, no nothing inside there. Only grease I use is when I put the gun back together. I'll grease the O-rings as I'm putting it back together. That's it. So hope that's helpful for some people out there, and we're loving the ST1. We sprayed with a Fusion AP for 9 years, switched to this, and we're never going back. We got 2 of these guns, and we'll probably end up with 2 for our other rig. So yeah, that's about it for that. So I'll catch you on the next video.